They probably ain't gonna be to hear. Hold on, Why are you getting out? It ain't gonna pop. Come back in the car. It's safer in the car than out there. It ain't gonna pop. We got a good tune on the car. It ain't gonna pop. Okay? It ain't even gonna pop. Watch this.
Music bed. Music bed.
Hey, how y'all doing? Peanuts Automotive Adventures. Hold it. Yeah, that's us. Oh, you got a Band-Aid? What you got a Band-Aid on your finger for? Hey, guys. Oh, go ahead. Okay. All right, guys. On today's episode, we're just going to discuss the engine management system that I have on the drag car, the 1987 Buick Turbo T Regal. We're going to talk about the engine management system, right? Which is a FAST XFI, electronic fuel injection system that we have installed on this car. I have no complaints about it. I know there's better systems out there on the market and whatnot, but this is what we settled on. Actually, I think this system older than you. Not the car, but the system. I think this FAST technology is older than you. But it's all good. We have fun with it, right?
Yeah.
You know, what the FAST gives me is, you know, the built-in wideband wideband O2, you know, 2 and 3D tables, 2 3D tables on the actual software that comes with the FAST XFI. What else it gives us? Individual cylinder correction, fan and fuel pump control. What else? Fully, you know, sequential or bank to bank, you know, capabilities. What else? We can control the fans. We can control the torque converter lockup.
Yep.
The air conditioning we can control. What else? This thing does everything that, you know, pretty much an OEM does on your OEM car, like your daily drivers, like we drive, right? Well, I drive. You'll be driving soon. I already know it. You know, so, you know, I just want to discuss it in detail, you know, well, probably not in detail, you know, because, you know, it's a lot going on with this system.
Yeah.
But I am pleased with it, as you can see. You know, I have my manuals to it. I have everything. I'm always, you know, looking at the software, looking at what the data logging with the computer. You know, yeah, with the laptop that we got in the car, you know, pulling data logs to make sure everything's running right and this and that. What else we doing? I didn't even give everything that this thing can do.
Yeah.
People are going to help me with this, but, you know, I didn't even give it everything that it can do, you know. And also with the XFI, I got the E-dash connected to the XFI too. So, and I'm running a boost controller. You know, so everything is working. Everything is nice. You know, what else? You know, I got the COM. Is it the COM cable? I can't remember what cable that is that you connect. But then I got the adapter for you. I can connect it with a USB. So, and also this thing can control your boost, but I'm not even using that option because we're letting the boost leash do everything for us.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're gonna look, and it can even control shift lights too.
Yeah.
It can control your shift light. It does a lot. It
It
has a lot of options that I know we're not even close to using option wise. You know, I thought about getting the installing the drive shaft sensor for at least we can get the mile power and all that good stuff working on the system. But yeah, it's been good to us. You know, if I could have did it all over again, I probably would have went Holly. You know, because of that self-learning feature. But you know, we gonna, you know, fast is okay. I like it. You know, it ain't did nothing wrong to us, right? You know, fast. You know, it's been good to us. It's on the car. You know, yeah, it's on the car. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you inside the car.
Inside the car.
Yeah, we're gonna show them inside the car. So we're gonna move. Yeah, inside the car. You're gonna go on the passenger side, and I'm gonna go on the driver's side. Or we should probably switch because you the crew chief and tuner, right? So you should probably be in the driver's side, and I'm on the passenger side. We'll see how it works out. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back. Yeah, we're back, right? You're back. You over there? All right. We are back. And right now, what we have is we're inside the car. And as you can tell, I have my laptop hooked up to the car. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and turn the power on to the car to connect. Let me turn the fuel pump off real quick. Let's turn the power on. And I just wanna communicate with it, right? We're gonna connect. We are connected. We are connected. I feel like the software is really user friendly for me. You know, everything is there. Even got some shortcut keys. Only shortcut key I really know is the F8, which is the actual logging off of memory. But there's a ton of shortcut keys. But one day I'm gonna remember them all. And what do we have? All right. I guess I can start the car up, right? And we can. You know what I'm saying? Look at some logs, look at the VE tables and all this good stuff. So, hold on, let me turn the pump on. The car ain't gonna be the herd. Hold on. Why are you getting out? It ain't gonna pop. Come back in the car. It's safer in the car than out there. It ain't gonna pop. We got a good tune on the car. It ain't gonna pop. Okay? It ain't even gonna pop. Watch it. Shut her down. She was loud? Yeah. Okay. So that's the way it sounds on the track. You be sitting there at the light, at the tree, and even louder. Let off that trans brake. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you a couple of little things. You know, one feature that I do enjoy is this, pretty much this flex fuel sensor feature, which let's go down. Where is it at? Fuel calc parameters. Go there. You can turn your flex fuel sensor on or off. And when you turn it off, you got to put your FEC, fuel energy constant, in there. You got to make sure it's correct. You know what I'm saying? In there, right? You got to make sure it's correct, you know. And you know, it's you know, I don't have nothing against this. This is all right, right?
Yep.
So let me hit apply so I can make sure it saves. Because I did hit that. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted.
Nope.
That is not what I wanted. Hold on. It didn't turn off the. No, I'm not starting it up. I'm not starting it up. I just want to go back and make sure my everything is right. Yeah. Your ears are itching. How come they itching? From the sound?
No.
So, it wasn't from the sound? Are you sure? I don't know why it's zero. Are you sure? How about this? I know what I'll do. Read all tables since we're there. We're in that base one right there. Here's what we'll do.
That's what we'll do.
Yep, we're good. We're good. So let's go ahead and probably just gonna save it too. Let's save it and hit that pop. Then we're gonna hit not that one.
No.
Not that one.
No.
Let's go back here. Let's see what we got.
See what we
Okay.
see.
We'll keep it there for now. All right, guys. Yep, this is the Fast XFI 2.0. That's the engine management system that I'm running on the drag car, and it's been good to me. I don't have no complaints with the system. It ain't never failed me or any of that. You know, I know it's better systems out there. Maybe one day we might upgrade to, you know, but right now we're content, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're content, and this is what you know, right? Okay, you know, so we're good to go. And let me see, and I'll probably do another video on it, a little bit more in depth video, you know what I'm saying, where we can just sit down, you know, talk about it, whatever. This is just a quick overview of the EMS system that's that's installed on the car, right? So since we got all that, hold on, let me disconnect. We're gonna disconnect. Wow. Yep, that's what we did. We disconnected. All right, guys. Hey, thank you for all the support. This is just a little short video on what on the EMS system that I'm running in the car. I know I got a couple of people that messaged me about, let's turn the power off, that messaged me about this car and what's going on with it and this and that. And little by little, I'll talk more and more about the car, right? We're gonna talk more about the car, little by little. You know, let people know what we're running, what this car's, you know, what it's doing, and you know, the upgrades on it, the features, you know. Let's see if they can look in here. You can see it has a cage in it. What is that up there? That's that draggy, right? You got a draggy right here. Yeah, no, this right here. That's the draggy. Yeah, it gives you your times and all that through GPS satellite and all that. But we got the draggy there, you know, right there. Yep, the draggy right there. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Me and Peanut appreciate all the support for Peanut's Automotive Adventures, and also, you know, as you could tell, the car's running. I didn't blow it up. It was a joke. Yes, it was a joke. So it was a joke, right? It was a joke. Only you could touch this car, right? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, talk to you later.